So normally I would want to use the filters to make the drum tone, the actual like boom sound of the drum. But today I want to do something a little different and use the oscillators so we can get the different timbres out of it. So here's how I did it. We're going to start by routing envelope generator 1's reverse out into the total. And of course, we're starting with nothing here. So I'm going to drop this down to 32 feet, and I'm going to turn it up. And what we want to do here is, so this is the reverse, so attack is going to be the drop in pitch. So I want it to be quick. And we want to set envelope generator 2 as well, so we have a little bit of decay. Next, we want to take our high pass filter and boost the low frequencies with it. So I'm going to turn it way up to just under self oscillation. And just make it really beefy down there. We want higher notes to have a snare sound, so let's add some noise. We'll route our keyboard CV out into this control input, which we're going to send the noise through here. So we're going to send white noise into the VCA, out into this external signal in. But I don't want just pure white noise because it's a little bit bassy and has some harsh high end on it. So I'm going to send it through the external signal processor here and send it through our bandpass filter and then into the VCA, which is controlled by the keyboard now. And then go into our external signal in and turn up our signal level. Which is very, very quiet. Oh, it's because I have the high cut frequency all the way down. All right. So now we have white noise. And it gets louder as you go up the keyboard. Cool. Let's cut out some of those low frequencies. And some of that super high, harsh highs. And bring our oscillator back into the mix. Cool. It's still a little harsh, so let's add our low pass filter in. And since this thing sounds so good, we might as well throw some resonance on it, make it sound crazy. And again, use envelope generator 1 to kind of close that filter along with the hit of the drum. That's really the patch. I mean, you want to set the amount of distortion you're getting out of the external signal processor onto the noise. I like it there at about 7.5. And now you can play it. But it's kind of hard to play. So what I like to do is I hook it up to my sequencer here. Let's route CVA to go into our VCO CV. Instead of having the keyboard control the noise amount, we'll have CVB control that, the noise amount, and we'll have the gate just handle the gate. And then what I have here, when I turn this knob, it does the same thing as going up the keyboard. And it sounds much cooler because it's all like it's all elastic. So from here, you can add other routings if you want to play with it a little bit more. What I did in the demo in the beginning was I routed the forward, the regular EG1 to control the high pass filter. So then I can just turn this knob. I don't have to mess with this right here. And which is pretty cool.